Hi everyone, so today we're going to plant up the butterfly flower. I've had it in the fridge in a Ziploc for quite a while, chilling, and we're going to get this planted. This is one of my last seeds that I want to plant up, and I'm looking forward to putting these throughout the garden. I don't need much space for these, I only need a few plants. This is a perennial, so it should grow in my climate. So I'm going to plant these seeds in this area right here, because I took the poppies out because I was so disappointed in them, the oriental poppies, that I had to get rid of them. They're driving me nuts looking at them. So I'll sow some of those outside later. But this is the bergamot right here. You can see it from the tag. And you'll remember the video that I planted these up, and they're not doing too bad. They could use some hardening off outside, and I'm starting to put stuff out now that we're getting some warm weather and bringing it in at night. So these are going to be going out soon. There's the odd one that his roots are a little exposed more than I like, so I just pushed them back in, but they're looking good. So anyhow, this is the butterfly bush. It is a perennial. You can see it's going to be absolutely beautiful. And it is drought tolerant, so perfect for me because I live on the prairies and I'm in zone 3B. Planting depth is 1/4 inch. It takes 14 to 28 days for germination, so a month. That's fine if I start it now. I don't want it too big when it goes out. And you're supposed to thin them to 12 to 18 inches apart. And they like full sun, and they get 24 inches high. So let's see what we got for seed. So we'll just open these up and I'll show you what is inside. They look like little seeds. So not too many seeds in this packet. You can see here that the seeds are good size compared to some of the other ones I've planted over the last few months. And there's not very many in this pack, so it'll work quite well for the amount that I really need. And we're just going to use the tweezers to pick these up and put them in the holes. And I'm going to need to make holes. These need to be covered. I can't put them on top to germinate, which is probably best because they'll set down better roots this way and be able to attach itself to the soil. I actually found a screw which will work just fine for making these holes. I'm just going to scoot out so you can see the tray. And I'm going to do one section at a time to see how far they go. So I'll use this tray for miscellaneous stuff that I don't have many seeds for, so how that's going to work. That seed didn't look very good, so I'm going to actually put 2 in that hole because it looked like it was part of a seed. I am going to put them under the grow lights, and the bergamot should be okay with that. So that's it. We'll see how well these do and if they germinate and what they're going to look like in the garden. I can't grow Buddleias here, so I can grow this here. And so this is my substitute for not being able to grow those beautiful butterfly bushes. So I hope this will be successful and provide that orange bright color that I love so much for the front yard. Let me know if you've grown this before in the comments and how you've made out with it. And I'll just water this in. I already pre-moistened the soil because this is my seed starting mix, so that's not a problem. And I've also treated the soil with some peroxide just to make sure it keeps any gnats down. All right, so now that's in place. It's under the grow lights and they should do very well here. Thanks for watching my video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.